This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries. I'm on the Physical Computing Unit, and I'm on the Board Events lesson. Let's see what we have here. Use the toggle switch. The toggle switch can flip in one of two positions, open and closed, and we learned about that in the last part of this lesson. This program uses it to make a light switch. Right now, you can only turn the light on. Do this. Create a new toggle switch event that is triggered when the switch is flipped to close. Add a close so that when the toggle switch is flipped to close, the lights turn off. Okay, so we're going to do the onboard event again, right? So on the board event of, so when the board has what event? Well, when the toggle switch is flipped closed. So what's going to execute? When on the board event, so when this event occurs, when the toggle switch is closed, we are going to run whatever code's in here. And what do we want to do? We want to turn off the light. All right, let's see if I can give this a shot. That switch is small. But on, off, on. We did it! Let's keep going.